Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing, or should I say adventures with Nadine West. Now, this is a first. They sent me a box instead of a bag. Usually they send a really cute pink bag that's resealable and you return things in that bag, but it looks like I have a box. So Nadine West is a styling service. Every 2 weeks or every month, you will get a shipment of clothes for $9.78. And if you were to keep something, that $9.78 you get back. So, and I did say adventures with Nadine West. And that's true. If you read any of the comments from anyone that does Nadine West, you will see that there were a lot of people that had bad experiences. So, here is they usually send it in cute paper with their Nadine West. They didn't even bother wrapping it this time. Okay. And here is my first peek. Now, you do get to set a profile on your size, your preferences, the colors you prefer, just like this. Black is a color that I said not to send. Here we have... I have two black things. Two. Not just one, but two. Okay. So I'm looking down through here. Let's see. Then we have gray and yellow. Yellow is another color I said not to send me. Oh, here we have a bundle. Here we have oh no. Oh no. I have a feeling that's going to be the same shirt. They've sent me 3 times already. So let's look at the jewelry first. They usually bury the jewelry. And I've been kind of griping about the jewelry, so they're not sending me as many pieces as normal. So today I have 1 pair of earrings. So here are the earrings. They are a very pretty silver. Each earring has like 3 hoops connected. And I think they are very pretty. I like them very much. Let's go ahead and try these on. The first shirt they sent me is this sweater. It is a fine knit sweater, very fine knit. It's not a t-shirt, it's actually a very light sweater, which would be a great piece to transition from winter into spring. It has a hood on the back. It has kangaroo pockets. It has a little bit of a fit and flare. Do you see that shape here? A little bit of a fit and flare. This is in a size large and it fits perfect. They do want $31.49 for this sweater. Yellow is my least favorite color. And I requested that they don't send me yellow, and here we have yellow. But you know, because it's in a gray and black and white pattern, it's not like yellow. It's very nicely done. But they do want $31.49 for this, and I asked them to keep me under $25. You know, I like to save money wherever I can. So this was the first item. Next, I am wearing this long sleeve top by Sheila Rose. It is in the size extra large. They've got me large all the way up to 2X in this fitting. So at least someone is paying attention to what the sizes are and what they really are. But, you know, I'm not done trying things on yet, so we'll see. But, so here we have a rayon spandex top. It is that very, very stretchy material. We've got some bell sleeves going on. I feel like I could... Anyway. So it is a very simple top with the bell sleeves. We have a regular scoop neck going on here, or crew neck. And you can do a front tuck, or you can untuck it. You can tuck it in your slacks if you like. But I did request no black. No black. No white, no black, no yellow. And in this box, I received 2 of those colors. See, I told you it was an adventure with Nadine West. A tie-dyed t-shirt. I love the colors. I absolutely love the colors. It has faith up here. It's a regular crew neck. The sleeves have been rolled up, which I can't stand. I can't stand that. Comes out of the dryer all messy and everything, and you gotta iron it every time. I can't stand that. And the sleeves are a little bit too short. It looks like it's just a regular straight tee. It is a cotton polyester blend. They would like $22.49 for this shirt. It's a regular t-shirt. I'm not spending $22.49 on it. The next item is this cardigan. Let me back up a little bit here. So this cardigan has fabric that drapes down in front and it's straight across the back. It does have pockets. It is made by Sheila Rose. It is a rayon spandex mix, and they would like $31.49 for this. Now it is kind of an olive color, an olive gray. It is like a grayish green, very gray. And we have a trim going all the way around the front edge and neck. Long sleeves, they're pretty long. This is a 1X. It's $31.49. It is the same cheap material. I don't think I'm going to be getting this one for $31.49. Maybe if it had been like 20, 23, maybe. But it's very light. It would be a good transition piece from winter to spring. But I'm going to say no to this one as well. Now underneath, they sent me this black shirt. It's a long sleeve mock neck. Looks like it has a baseball hem. Or is that jersey they call it? It's either jersey or baseball, not sure. Sleeves are very long. This is a 2X. So it is a bit big, but it probably won't shrink because this, you know, plastic doesn't shrink. So. But we have really long mock neck with some strings that you can tie it tighter if you like. It's not a hood. It's just a collar. Just a standard cuff. Very standard, but it's black. I'm not interested in black. The last item of clothing they sent is this orange shirt. The sleeves are long enough. I like the length of the sleeves. I like the button detail. Has a nice scoop neck. It has that jersey hemline again. This is a 1X. It is made by Zanana. It is $22.49. This is the third time that they have sent a shirt pretty much just like this. This one has buttons here, where the one I have doesn't have buttons here. But I don't need the same shirt. They're obviously not looking to see what they've sent me in the past. Oh, she said no to the last one we sent her. That means she might say no to the next one we send her. But they don't look at that. Okay. Am I getting upset? Maybe. Okay, so let's talk about the clothes that they sent and what I think about it. So, the first item was this long sleeve t-shirt kind of blouse with bell sleeves. I have to admit, I'm not used to bell sleeves. All that extra fabric really was kind of bothering me. But the thing that bothers me the most is it's black. I've got fur babies. I can't wear black. Are you guys out of your mind? Okay. No, seriously, I cannot wear black because I've got fur babies. So this one is going to be a no. This one, this is that really fine knit sweater, which is the kind of sweaters that I like because nobody's nails get snagged on it. But this one, you know, I live in Oklahoma and it gets hot here quick. There's very little transition from winter to spring, even though this would be a great transition piece for even here, even in the evenings. You want to go sit outside, but it's a little chilly. This would be perfect. But they do want $31.49 for this, above my price range. And it has yellow, which is another color I asked them not to send me. So this is going to be a no. The tie-dyed t-shirt. I actually liked it. I don't have anything tie-dye except for a pair of pants that I have. Anyway, but I do like this. What I don't like is they want $21.49 for it. So, you know, it is just a t-shirt. This is not a concert t-shirt. So I'm not going to spend $21.49 for a t-shirt. It says Faith and the sleeves are rolled up. The cardigan. It is a gray. It's very gray. It has just a touch of green in it. I like the feel of it. I think it would be a great transition piece from winter to spring. What I don't like about it is it's $31.49. I can get one like this much cheaper. And I don't like the extra fabric that hangs down in the front of it. You know, the back is square and then I don't like that. So this is going to be a no. The mock neck shirt. This is the one that had the long sleeves and it had the big wide collar and the tie. I like the concept of the shirt overall, but it was black. So it's going to be a no. This shirt. They keep trying to send me this shirt in subtle differences. You know, like the last one had really wide cuffs on the sleeves. So that was a no. Not to mention the color. Same fabric, same kind of shirt. So this is going to be a no. Do I have anything left? I do. I have the earrings left. So the earrings. I think this is going to be the only yes out of the whole box. They would like $16.19 for these, and if I keep them, I will get my $9.78 back, which will make these $6.41. So yeah, this will be the only thing I get out of the box this time. Okay. First problem, I don't have a return label. I can put it in the same box, but I don't know if they'll let me do that. It's a FedEx box, you know what I'm saying? Usually it's sent through the mail. So I received this FedEx today. So I have to contact them and get a return label for all of these things. Another thing is 1, 2, 3 of the items have a different picture and different description. So I have to contact them about that. If you're not careful with them, they will charge you for what they've pictured but has not been returned. So even when I make my notes, I'll say I did not receive this shirt, I received this shirt instead. They sent me 2 colors I didn't ask for. And they sent me the same shirt. This is the 3rd time now. And I'm only on shipment number 8. And I'm not kidding when I tell you Adventures with Nadine West. That's very, very true. So as I'm sitting here entering information in my account on Nadine West, you know, they picture each item that they sent you. And you give it a star rating, 1 through 5. And then you put in the description box below that item, what you liked or didn't like about it. So basically, I mean, as I was filling it out, I realized how much they don't care. They really don't. Personally, I think they are the worst clothing service out there. I hear horror stories all the time, but you know, that's their stories. This one is mine. They don't look at my profile. They constantly send me the colors. I mean, you fill out a profile. Do you like these colors? What colors do you not want us to send you? Well, I have white, black, and yellow. And they constantly send black to me. I got 2 black shirts and a yellow shirt this time. And 3 items pictured were different than the ones I received. So are they going to charge me for those items that I didn't get? People say they do that. As I was filling it out, I'll add information about, you know, what I liked and disliked about each item. And then they even have an additional feedback box, which I started out by saying, do you guys even read this feedback? I doubt it. So I'm getting very snippy. But I don't like them. So I canceled. I sent them an email saying that, you know, it came through FedEx. It usually comes in the mail. So I have a FedEx box instead of a return bag. I don't have a return label, so I'm like, I need a box or a bag. I need a return label. Items didn't match the items list. You send me stuff that is not on my profile, I'm out. So, yeah, that's it. I'll continue with another one though, Drape Fit. That one seems to be a bit better. So we'll see how that one goes. And on that note, I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.